In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful, who is the Master of Death and Wrath, the Master of Life. Dear viewers, how are you? I hope you will be safe and sound. And I hope you will get much about my lectures day by day because these are very important lectures for you. And this is your favorite YouTube channel that is Narasif. I have launched this channel for you. I have done my services in Pakistan Coast Guards and Punjab Rangers also. I will give you much knowledge about the forces and civil armed forces and military scopes in future if you will watch my videos. Thanks. Today my topic is FPSC number 2 PPSC. I want to explain to you that FPSC means Federal Public Service Commission. PPSC means Punjab Public Service Commission. I want to explain you that a lot of students did not know about the knowledge of basic that what is the process of to apply in any department of Pakistan. So I want to tell you that Federal Public Service Commission is a commission that takes the exams of the candidate of the Pakistan. Suppose that if you want to take the competitive exams, the Federal Public Service Commission will take the exams of you. If you are taking the exam on provincial level, then every province has its own public service commission. That if you are living in Punjab, there is a Punjab Public Service Commission. If you are living in Sindh, there is a Sindh Public Service Commission. If you are living in KPK, there is a KPK Public Service Commission. If you are living in Balochistan, there is a Balochistan Public Service Commission. So, guys, these are two public service commissions. Those are taking the exams of competitive exams. These commission arrange the competitive exams. And if you want to apply a competitive exams, so you will search out jobs in Federal Public Service Commission and Punjab Public Service Commissions. Okay? And the final I want to tell you that please work hard, understand, especially in English. English has become the international language of the science and technology in all over the world, because these two commissions are very important in Pakistan. And please take much time and pay your full attention on English, because English is very essential for these two exams, Federal Public Service Commission and Punjab Public Service Commission, if you want to be official in Pakistan. In the final, please like, share and subscribe my all videos, and please pray for the Palestinian, Kashmir, Pakistan and transmission. Thanks.